skateboard friends.
Yeah, what a good boy. Careful of that giant drop, please.
That's yours. Yeah, get on the skateboard.
He's like, right.
Oh.
They've never been on leashes before, so they're not quite sure what to make of it. So this right here is Ollie. Can you say hi, Ollie? Can you say hi? Come on, Blue. Come on, boy. Come here, Blue. Come on, say hello.
Yeah, these are new skateboard friends.
You do not want to go there. You do not know what's been right there. His name is Blue because his eyes are blue. See, Ollie's already ready to hit the park. You did an Ollie in there? You did an Ollie? Should we go in? Should we hit the ramps? So I want to go in and release the beast. Come on. Come on, Blue. Okay. Let's get these things off you. I know you hate them. I also hate the car. Well, so far anyways. There you go, buddy. There you go, buddy.
You're free.
Yeah, you're free. It can get noisy in here, but right now we're gonna run. Okay, come on. This is the skate park. This is where you guys are gonna learn how to skateboard. I know you're pretty good already. Let's show the people. Let's do a tour. Yeah, this is the ramp. You guys will be jumping off that. This is the A-frame. Get the mani pad? Yeah, come on, get up here. Yeah, come on.
Hi.
You want to hit the 3-stair? Come on. Get on the skateboard. Get on the skateboard. All right, Blue, you big baby. Get over here. They're from Montana. Bred to work.
Hey, buddy.
Get on there. Come on, dude. Come on. Oh, he made it.
He did.
Good job. Now come over here. Yep. Down the stairs. Good boy. There's a 5. Come on. Run up this way. Come on. Careful. Careful of that giant drop, please. Jeez.
Oh.
For real? And down these big steps. Come on. Let's go. Good boy. That's why we named you Ollie, because you can Ollie. Yeah, what a good boy. See, this isn't so bad. They thought, Aaron, you're taking me in the car again, Dad. You did not want to be in that car. No, I love you so much. Let's go to the mini ramp. That loud noise, that's skateboards. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Oh! You made it. You made it. So we go up here. Come on. Oh! Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah. I can't believe it. No problem. First try. Give me a high five. He's like, I don't know that. I don't know that yet. So they're raised on a farm and they're raised to herd. So I'm their herd leader and he was herding. Come on. Let's go. Come on, get up here. Get up here, dude. Get up here. You ready, Blue? Come on. Come on. Yeah.
Fearless.
He's amazing. Go down to 3. Mani pad. What should we do? Should Dad get a skateboard? You want Dad to get a skateboard? Hey, wow, they're like, this place is so fun. This place is so fun. Oh, what a good boy. You guys are such good boys. Yes, you are. We're such good boys.
No.
I guess technically this, you see that? Technically this is their board, so. You want to ride your board?
Oh,
Get
that
on the
was...
skateboard. Get on there, Blue. Give it a ride. Get on the skateboard. That's yours. Yeah, get on the skateboard. He's like, right.
Oh.
Yep, there you go, buddy. You're making it. Okay, you ready? You ready? Watch out for your brother. Okay, ride your skateboard. Get on your skateboard. Come on. Let's run around a little bit. Come on. Come on. Ollie cannot quite figure out the bank to the quarter pipe ratio. Blue, he's got it 100%. Now, guys, you ready? Down the quarter pipe. I can definitely see a floor is lava in your guys' future. Come on, dude. You want to do that again? You want to do this again? Come on. You ready? Come on. Okay, up here.
You like?
I guess he loves the vert. We have the street skater and the vert skater. Maybe we should have named him half pipe.
What are you doing up there?
You ready? You ready? I'm gonna film this for your mommy. She's gonna freak out and maybe get mad at your daddy. You ready? Let's go. Come on, Blue. Come on, roll in. Good boy.
You did it. You did it.
What a good boy. Okay, I gotta get him used to the skateboarding. You just love the ramps. He's like, why use the stairs? This is so much easier. Okay, buddy. Here you go. On the skateboard. Yeah, this is skateboard's not scary. No, it's not. No, it's not. Shouldn't have made that loud noise, Dad. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, sweetie. You can ride the skateboard, though. We get to ride the skateboard. Yeah, get on there. Get on the skateboard. Okay, Ollie, your turn. Ollie, get on the skateboard. Look. Isn't that thing fun? Look at how fun it is. Maybe. Maybe it is. There you go. I gotta actually train them correctly. I did watch some videos, like you very gently just get them to touch the skateboard, etc. And this trainer, it took them a while to even get the dog to touch the skateboard, but it was so crazy at home. I had the skateboard on the carpet, and I was like, Blue, get on the skateboard. First try, he just literally walks on all fours like this, gets on the skateboard, and then sits down. And I was like, yep, you're the one. Did he just try and jump on my back?
Yeah.
Hey, Blue, come on. Blue, come here. Yeah, give your dad a push. Come on, let's go. Get on the skateboard. Well, welcome to the team, guys. Welcome to the team. You're part of the Braille family now. Yes, you are. I feel like he wants to go back to the mini ramp for some reason. Want to go back to the mini ramp? Huh, sweetie? Okay, let's go. Yeah, get up here. I know you like it. Hey, we're working. We're on the clock. Whoa! Come on, Blue. Come on. See that jump? Should we just do like a little obstacle course? You guys want to do floor is lava? Your first day? First day on the job, floor is lava? Let's go, come on. Let's see if you can make that those steps. You do not want to mess with that quarter pipe, I'll tell you what, brother. Wow, I'm surprised he can jump up there. One more obstacle course. What are you doing? Trying to grind that? All right. The big question is if they're just going to run around the obstacles. So we're going to go for over, under. Come on. Come on. You ready? You ready to do your first ollie in the Braille house? Are you ready? We should drop in, Dad. We should, if we're going to do this. Drop in to start the line. Okay. You ready? Let's go. What the heck? That wasn't the line at all. All right, Blue, you ready? Come on. Come on. Come on. The world's worst dog trainer.org. You'll see my picture.
You know who you need to get here? Caesar.
Caesar Milan. If anybody knows Caesar Milan, can you have him come and help me teach my dogs how to ride a skateboard? Where'd Blue go? We lost Blue. Where'd he go? What are you doing?
You found a spot. You found a safe spot.
That's his spot now.
They were born on a ranch in Montana, and this right here, my friends, is the equivalent of a Montana ranch. So I have no idea if we're gonna actually be able to teach these little guys how to skateboard. But even if we don't and they wanna just run around and have fun, that's okay with me too, you know? Because when you have kids, you just gotta let them be who they are. Since they pretty much already stood on a skateboard their first day, I'm pretty sure with some proper training, we're gonna be really good. You guys are gonna have a lot of fun. Was it so much fun? Was that so much fun? Was that so much fun, Blue? Huh, Ollie? Was that fun? He's like, it's nap 30, Dad. Time for a nap. You guys wanna take a nap? You guys can take a nap. No problem. All right, well, I'm gonna film another video and you guys can take a nap, okay? Yeah, it's hard work skateboarding. Tell your mom so she can give me some credit. Seriously, I thought that they were gonna walk to the door and just stand there and be scared of everything. But they literally pretty much shredded the whole place. So these guys are gonna be in a lot more Braille videos, so stick around to see the action. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, and even you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It's the best time now more than ever. Right, buddy? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it is.